Tuberculosis, often called TB, is a serious infectious disease that has been a persistent threat to human health for centuries. It mainly affects the lungs, causing severe respiratory issues, but it can also impact other organs such as the kidneys, spine, and brain. TB is caused by a bacterium known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which is highly infectious and resilient. This bacterium spreads through the air when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or even talks, making it highly contagious. TB has plagued humanity for centuries and remains a major global health concern affecting millions of people worldwide. The World Health Organization estimates that 1/4 of the world's population is infected with TB, highlighting the scale of the problem. While TB is treatable and curable with a strict regimen of antibiotics, many people lack access to proper health care and medication. This is particularly true in low-income countries, where healthcare infrastructure is often inadequate. Therefore, understanding TB and investing in research is crucial for developing effective control and prevention strategies to combat this global threat. Tuberculosis is primarily spread through the air. When a person with active TB coughs, sneezes, or even talks, they release tiny droplets containing the bacteria. These droplets are small enough to remain suspended in the air for long periods. People nearby can inhale these infectious droplets, leading to infection. Close contact with an infected person, such as living in the same household, increases the risk of transmission. Factors like poor ventilation and overcrowding can facilitate the spread of TB. This is why TB is often associated with poverty and inadequate living conditions. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is a slow-growing bacterium that causes tuberculosis, a serious infectious disease. It has a unique cell wall that makes it resistant to many common antibiotics, complicating treatment efforts. This waxy outer layer is rich in mycolic acids, which contribute significantly to its resilience and ability to evade the immune system. One of the key characteristics of Mycobacterium tuberculosis is its ability to persist within the body for long periods, often in a dormant state. It can remain dormant in a latent state, causing no symptoms for years, sometimes even decades. However, the bacteria can reactivate later in life, especially if the immune system weakens, leading to active TB disease. Scientists use a special staining technique called acid-fast staining to identify Mycobacterium tuberculosis under a microscope, which is crucial for diagnosis. This technique helps visualize the bacteria based on their unique cell wall properties, making it easier to detect and study. Upon entering the lungs, Mycobacterium tuberculosis begins its journey through the respiratory system. Mycobacterium tuberculosis encounters the body's first line of defense, the immune system, which is always on high alert for invaders. The initial encounter involves cells called macrophages, which are phagocytic cells that engulf and destroy foreign invaders. These cells play a crucial role in the body's defense mechanism. However, Mycobacterium tuberculosis has evolved strategies to survive inside macrophages, making it a formidable pathogen. It can prevent the fusion of lysosomes, which contain enzymes that normally break down bacteria, thus evading destruction. This allows Mycobacterium tuberculosis to persist within the macrophages, creating a safe haven for itself. The outcome of infection depends on the balance between the virulence of the bacteria and the strength of the host's immune response. A strong immune system can make a significant difference. In some cases, the immune system can successfully contain the infection, leading to latent TB, where the bacteria remain dormant. However, if the bacteria are not controlled, they can multiply and cause active TB disease, leading to severe symptoms and health complications.